Good evening, YouTube. This is Trier, all the way from Hyderabad, especially for you guys. How are y'all? Hope all are doing well. It's 5 o'clock in the evening. I just finished my work and going back to home. You know, finally, I got my Reliance Jio SIM. Yes, I mean, my Reliance Jio SIM has been activated. Actually, I got this SIM 1 week before itself. But you know, since 1 week, I am facing a lot of troubles to activate the SIM. Finally, today it has been activated and working well, very well. Why 1 week delay was happened is all mistake was happened by me itself. I actually didn't know how to configure the SIM. After 1 week, I have struggled and I have tried a lot of different settings, and today it has been activated. I got a signal for my Reliance Jio SIM. A lot of traffic, man. So I think there may a lot of people who are facing the same problem, I think. So I would like to elaborate how to activate your Reliance Jio SIM now. And you know, a lot of people are complaining. A lot of people are telling that my Jio SIM also not activated up to 1 week. After 1 week or after 10 days, it has been activated. You know, that is actually our mistake, guys, because we don't know the proper settings. If you know the proper settings, the Jio SIM will be activated within 1 day, most probably within 10 hours, like that. Yes, if you get your Reliance Jio SIM now, I mean 6 o'clock, it can able to activate by tomorrow morning 6 o'clock itself. But you know, we have to change some configuration settings in our mobile. These girls are coming on me. I think they liked me a lot. So what you have to do is, after getting your Reliance Jio SIM, after 10 hours or after 12 hours, like that, if you have patience, after 24 hours, what you do is, first of all, please check whether your phone's SIM slots supports, both SIM slots support 4G LTE, or any one SIM slot supports 4G LTE. Just first you have to check that. And whichever SIM slot supports for 4G LTE, in that you have to place the 4G Jio SIM. I mean, you have to place the Jio SIM in the particular SIM slot. Okay. Then of course that will be activated. But the thing is, if some people like me who are having both SIMs are with 4G LTE support, then what happens is, whenever you insert your 4G, whenever you insert the Jio SIM in slot, after inserting, you just have to go to settings and you have to go for network settings or SIM management or network setting, I think. Network settings. You have to go into network settings and you have to oh my god, lots of traffic, man. You have to go to network settings and you have to select other SIM, whichever you have. Like if you have a Jio SIM and one more SIM, if you have Airtel or Idea, like this, just think about Airtel. If you have one more Airtel SIM, you have to go in that and you have to you have to go to in that particular Airtel SIM option, and you have to select the SIM network condition, like just GSM only. Well, nowadays everybody is using 4G sims and everybody is surfing 4G data. So what you have to do is, first you have to select your Airtel sim, and in that Airtel sim you have to choose option network selection. I mean, you there will be options like 3G, 2G and GSM, and there will be option like 4G, LTE, WCDMA, something like that. You will find that. So what you have to do is, for the other sim, other maybe Airtel or Idea, you have to choose option GSM only. Okay, you have to choose GSM only. And now coming to Jio sim settings, then you will not find that you cannot get the option to change in Jio sim, because there is already one sim is working with 4G LTE, so you cannot change to other sim as 4G LTE. The phone can support only one 4G LTE. So what you have to do, what you have to do is, first you have to switch off. I mean, you have to change the Airtel SIM cards 4G LTE to only GSM only. Then you have to restart your phone. After restarting, after 5 minutes or after 10 minutes, then you will get the same option for Jio SIM. Airtel SIM option remains as GSM only. Now the Jio SIM's option opens. Then you have to select for Jio SIM 4G LTE WCDMA something. There will be like that. You have to choose that option. Yes, this thing you have to do. Then you will get the network access. Just try this. Then you will get network access. Still, if you are not getting the network access, means what you have to do is just go to the shortcut menu, which is on the home screen of your phone. That is the data option, data connection. There will be data connection, right? On off, switch on off button. There will be data connection, switch on off button will be there. And what you have to do is, you have to change the data from Airtel to Reliance Jio. I hope you understand. I'll try to put some pictures if it is possible. Okay. What you have to do is, you have to change your mobile data from Airtel to Jio, Reliance Jio 4G. And this is the step where it works. Definitely 100% it will works. You just try it. Then 100% the network signal will comes, and my phone is ringing. Yeah, it's okay, no problem. So then definitely the network will comes. Do this, guys. It works. It has worked for. I did for one of my friend also. I did for myself, and I did for one of my friend also today itself. So this is what you have to do. Lot of people, and even of course my sister also. I actually recently, you know that recently I bought a phone for my sister, and she bought a Reliance Jio SIM. She also had the same problem, and I did the same with her SIM also. Now it is working. Now the thing is, after getting the network, he is looking me like something. It's okay. So after getting your network, you will have access to internet, but you cannot able to do voice calls with this Jio SIM. And the same thing was happened with my sister. For that, what you have to do is, you have to download an app from Play Store. Sorry, my gearbox is stucking, man. So for that, what you have to do is, you have to download app called My Jio 4G. Yeah, I think My Jio 4G. You have to download this app from Play Store. After downloading, you have to check in that. After downloading, after opening that application, you will find lot of options. Then you have to check one option, that is, you have to check the option Jio 4G voice. You have to check this option. Then you will get one more application, and then you can able to do phone calls to other numbers, not only Jio numbers. You can do any other numbers. And if you will definitely find that whenever you want to make a call to a person, the calls will not directly connect from your phone. That particular calls goes to my 4G Jio, my Jio voice. From there it connects to another number. You just check it out. This works 100%, guys. Try it. This is I just wanted to share with you. That's all, guys. That's all for today. Hope this video is informative. Hope if you find this is helpful, if you like the video, don't forget to hit thumbs up. And please share my videos, and please do subscribe to my channel. I mean I don't know what my videos are good or not, but I am working very hard for YouTube after doing a lot of company work, and even come on, man, who is calling me? Okay, I'll wait here and I'll check. Okay, guys, please do subscribe to my channel. That's all. Have a nice day. As always, ride safe, take care. Hasta la vista. Oh my god. Come on, man. Okay, I'll stop here. Yeah, I'll stop here. No, I can't stop here. A lot of traffic over here, so I can't stop here. Oh my god, this bus guy is coming. 1 second, man. Oh my god, just missed it. From right side auto and left side bus. Just missed it. Just escaped it. By the way, this is Kachiguda railway station. So guys, bye bye. See you later.